tell them what we're gonna be eating today. So we got some wax strips. I mean, not wax strips. Nerd roll.
Why are you picking it up?
And we got some wax bottles.
Yes. So,
And today we're gonna be doing a challenge too.
a snacks and facts challenge. We're so excited. They're gonna eat some of our candy first.
Favorite color. Guys, these wax bottles are really good.
Guys, make sure you go check out our race of me and my brother eating wax bottles.
The yellow is my favorite. What's your favorite one?
I think the red is my favorite.
I don't like the blue or the red at all.
Why?
Maybe because I don't like them. I want to get it all out.
Hey, brother, I'm on my second one. I'm getting all of mine out too.
This green?
I have a green.
I never had a green one. Guys, comment down below if you like wax bottles.
Yes.
And comment down below if you like nerd ropes, whatever they are. Nerd rolls.
Nerd roll. Sour.
I think the green is like rare or something. Pop in the cap. Pop in the cap. Now I'ma drink it. Take this off.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah.
Why are you biting it like that? So make sure the juice goes all the way to the bottom, and then you bite it all so you don't waste any juice. Well, only bite off the tip. If you see that I bit off the tip, there's no what's it called, juice on it. So that's what you do to get all the juice as possible.
We haven't ate
And then
the
you
wax
bite.
strip yet. We haven't ate.
It's not a wax strip.
I don't. Whatever it's called, I don't know. You thought you would hurt.
Go.
Freak. Since I'm eating the two that I don't like.
Good job. You want a cookie? Huh? You want a cookie?
Where is it at?
You don't really deserve one.
You childish.
Trying to hurry you. It looks like you like the blue and red.
Awesome. I just squirted it out.
Oh, okay, I can do it with this one.
What you doing?
Any let's eat bites the bottom, so I tried it. It's actually cool.
Do your own stuff.
My brother, I know you ain't talking. I'm gonna try a piece of the nerve before we start. was disgusting. The gummy tastes good. I'm gonna do the smacks or facts challenge.
The powder right here.
Yeah, just in case. You have 5 seconds to answer your question. And if you don't answer in that 5 seconds, you get smacked. And if you get it wrong, you get smacked. Who's going first?
Me. So I'm gonna say the question first.
Yeah.
Question 1. What is my favorite superhero?
Captain America.
No.
Okay. Let's do my question. What is my favorite slime? Like, what kind of slime?
Fluffy slime?
Nope. It's
What?
clear.
What?
You didn't know that?
No. God dang. Okay.
Turn.
Question 2. What is my favorite color?
Gold.
Yes.
What's my favorite superhero? You cooking grandpa. 1, 2.
Iron Man.
Nope.
Who is it?
I can't. I'm not telling you.
You can tell the answer now.
Oh, Flash. He's really fast. You know that?
Yeah. I only wrote 2 questions.
Okay, so think of some more. Hurry, fast. Or I'll smack you.
What is my favorite type of tree? 5.
A great Oakley tree?
No. Great Oakley. You're getting smacked.
Okay.
What is my favorite type of shoes?
Phone pauses.
Yes.
What is my favorite drink?
Blue Fanta.
Yes.
What is my favorite type of animal?
A sloth, because you are one.
No. A lion. I'm doing with this hand now.
Okay, what's... How many earrings have I gotten?
5.
No, only got 3.
You put a lot. Okay. What?
Yo. You better be doing some questions I don't know. You only smacked me twice or 3 times.
What is my favorite sea animal?
A seahorse?
No.
What is it?
A blue whale. I'm doing this one.
Oh, washing my face. There you go. What do I look like?
Your eyebrows are like your grandma. Or one is.
What's my favorite toy?
Barbie doll.
No, slime.
That's not a toy. Is it slime?
Yes, it is.
Is a toy slime?
It is. It really is. I can smack you on your side.
Not in my face. Okay. What is my... What is my favorite type of fan?
those fans in Denise's room?
The humidifier.
Don't get in my hair. What is... we're both going to do one more question each. So, what is my favorite window, then?
What the?
What?
There's only one type of window.
What?
A regular window.
No, my favorite window is a blue window.
What? How does that make any sense?
Come on, turn your face. Turn your face. No, other way.
Other way.
What? Trying to be like an owl.
God. Okay. What is what is my favorite type of phone?
I want to get this wrong, but I don't want to get it wrong. You're supposed to be counting.
Oh,
Figure it out. I don't.
4, 3, 2,
I don't know. You're painting a picture, aren't you? Alright guys, it's the end of our video. Make sure you subscribe and like all of our videos. Peace.
Peace.
We love you.
We love you.